Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys another cleaning motivational video. Today I was just putting away my decorations and picking up the house. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm starting off by undecorating my Christmas tree, so that's what I am doing here. This was a bittersweet moment. I was just kind of over it. I don't know if anybody else feels that way, but I actually took this tree down, I believe it was on New Year's Eve, like that night or that afternoon, like the afternoon before New Year's. That's when I took it down, just because I wanted to start off the new year with a clean house without any clutter or any Christmas stuff. And so that's what I'm doing here, taking everything down. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela. I post videos on mommy life, cleaning motivation, along with other videos, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you're not new here, thank you for always sticking by my side. If you guys keep seeing me looking up or behind me, it's because I'm watching a movie. I put on Home Alone and I hadn't seen it in forever, and so I was just really into it. My son is the cutest. He always wants to help. So now I'm moving on to the play area. I'm just organizing and putting away all the baby's toys. Now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I'm just gonna get this kitchen nice and clean. So if you missed my Goodbye 2019, Welcome 2020 video, you should definitely go and check that out. And if you don't want to watch the whole video, you don't have to, just fast forward to the end. I made a really special announcement and I am so excited and nervous and excited and nervous, but I'm going to be talking more about that later on in one of my future videos, and I just can't wait. I can't wait. So go make sure and check out that video. So now I'm just going to be clearing off both the big table and the little kid table, and so that's what I'm doing here. This boy is so adorable. So now I'm just sweeping and mopping underneath this bench. I want to make sure that I get this area nice and swept and mopped, so that's what I'm doing here. I let my babies play with stickers all the time just because they really enjoy it, and so they got stickers all over the furniture, and so I was just taking all the stickers off. Here I'm just wiping down the countertops and making this area look beautiful. Now I'm moving on to the stove. Now I'm just mopping and sweeping the rest of the house. You guys, my son fell asleep. He got so tired of helping me. So now he just crashed out. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!